Hey guys, we're unboxing the Hatch Baby Rest, which is a night light sound machine and a time to rise. So we decided to buy this one because it was controlled. You can control it with your phone. It had several different sounds and the light actually is several different colors. And just the adapter or the charger to plug it in. It also, you can buy little sleeves for it so you can make it pretty colors and make it a little bit different for your baby. Okay, so once you download the app, you're gonna set up a login and you can actually name your hatch if you had one in different rooms. And it's gonna also request some information about your baby. Then you're gonna go through a little tutorial about how it works. So you can actually tap on the top on this little ring up here, and it's going to change to some different presets and change the color of the lights. You can actually hold it and it should turn off as well. So once you get through your tutorial, you are able to set up some favorites so that your little presets when you touch the top would change to things that you wanted. So my first preset, I changed it to the orange light and the sound of the wind. You can still control everything with your phone. Turn it off. If you didn't want to set those presets, you could just do it manually. All of the buttons, if you needed to turn it on or off, are actually on the bottom. So you could turn it off here, you can change the presets, you can change the color of the lights, and you can make it brighter, and you can turn the sound up and down. So there are 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, wait, dude. There are 11 different sounds that it makes. So we can just quickly go through the sounds. This one is a nature sound. Then we have rain. Have white noise. Some birds. The wind. Waves. A stream. Laundry. And then we have some music. One of the cool features about this is that you can set different programs. So you can set the time that your baby goes to sleep and the time that your baby should wake up. Once your baby grows into a toddler and is in their big kid bed, you can set it so that they know when they can get out of bed. And basically you set your program, you have a wake up time, and once you get to your wake up time, it turns green and your baby knows it's time to get up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the review. See you next time. Get the